Good evening and welcome back. I'm meteorologist Adam Epstein. We had a few showers move through central Maine earlier today. Now they're starting to dissipate, but there is still some rain down in York County. Some moderate to heavy rainfall in North Berwick indicated by those yellows and oranges and over towards Sanford. And this is all pulling away towards the coast close to Ogunquit and Kennebunk on Route 1. And as you pan out, you can kind of see a line of green here. This shows a cold front, and that cold front's dropping in from the north. On the north side of this front is some cooler, drier air, and you could see that on our dew points. Notice we're in the mid-60s in Portland. That means it's muggy and sticky outside. If you've been outdoors, you can feel it. Then further to the north by Rangeley, 36 degrees is the dew point. That indicates very dry air. So the answer to the question of, is tomorrow going to be humid, is no. Here we are tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., maybe a shower, but notice some clearing to the north. In central and southern Maine, we are still mostly cloudy. Throughout the day, probably not going to see any sunshine. By 4 o'clock, temps in the low 50s, cloudy, some spotty showers, but it will not be a washout for day 2 of this holiday weekend. Over the next 24 hours, temperatures are a big story. We're going to be dropping throughout the overnight and actually hit our high temperature around 10 in the morning. Come noontime, temperatures are decreasing, so it's going to be a much cooler day. If you have any cookouts planned, you might want to bring a sweater, maybe just eat inside. As we go into Memorial Day, temperatures remain cool in the upper 50s at the coast, low 60s inland. Still cloudy, but once again, not a washout. Over the next 3 days, a couple days in the clouds and cool, but then Tuesday, the sun is back and the heat is back with it. 80 degrees. Wednesday, we have a shifting sea breeze, so it'll be a little bit cooler at the coast at 73 degrees, but inland near 80 degrees, so it's nice twice. With the peak of our heat on Thursday in the mid 80s, and then we could get some tropical moisture on Friday and Saturday. There's a chance of showers with highs near 70 degrees.